Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's video, the Pleiadians wanted to chat with us about sensitivity, because as we go through our awakening journey and as the consciousness of the entire planet is rising rapidly, what happens is we're all becoming more sensitive. So the Pleiadians are going to talk to us a little bit about that in today's video. But before we jump in to today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. Now, as we are all quite familiar, we are going through the process of what we refer to as ascension. So we are moving from very dense, heavy 3D humans into fifth dimensional humans. We are moving into a whole new plane of consciousness. And so as part of that process, we have to raise our vibration. And we are doing that personally as lightworkers and starseeds, but we're doing it collectively as well. It's happening across the entire planet. And one of the things that happens as we make this transition of consciousness is we become much more sensitive. We start to activate abilities that we never knew we had. Some of them we kind of thought they were science fiction. We start to bring online new gifts and abilities, things we've never been able to do before, and we become much more sensitive to energy. Now, some of us started out pretty sensitive to begin with. So those of you who are starseeds or empaths are going to probably be getting a little nervous right now. But this is just part of our raising of consciousness, that we start to tune into energies that used to be invisible to us. So one of the things that is happening as we are getting bombarded with so much planetary energy right now, if y'all have seen the Schumann, you know it's spiking and going crazy. Solar energies are very active. Planetarily, we're just getting hit pretty much 24/7. And what happens is we are becoming more sensitive to these energies. And what that means is we're going to feel everything more than we used to. And a lot of us are noticing this in the physical body. We notice that when the planetary energies spike, we get unusual symptoms and sensations in the physical body. A lot of us are noticing we're getting much more sensitive to the energy of other people. So for a lot of people, this may show up as you're starting to know instantly whether you can trust someone, whether they're telling you the truth, whether they're going through something that they're not talking about. We're getting much better at feeling the energy of other people. And this is all part of our becoming more sensitive to energy. We are starting to work from the heart center, which means we are starting to feel the energy of everything instead of think about everything. The mind is very insensitive to energy. And that was the old 3D operating system, right? We used to operate by the mind. Logic, reason, analysis was everything. But that is completely outdated now. We are on a new operating system. We're on an entirely new consciousness grid. And that grid is based on sensitivity to energy. We have to tune into things that were outside of our range of perception as 3D humans. So what we notice as we go through the ascension process is we're becoming more and more sensitive. And this can take a little getting used to. It can be a bit uncomfortable in the physical body, but the good side of our increasing sensitivity is we're starting to operate differently. Things that we used to think were fictional are starting to become very common. We're starting to have access to our telepathy, our clairvoyance, the ability to read the truth in any situation. It's much harder to fool us now, right? That was part of the human game for most of our human history. We just believed what we were told, but those days are over. We are becoming beings of energy. And as we do that, we become much more connected. We see through any sort of manipulation or deception, and we get to the truth of everything very quickly. So you may notice that you can look at something instantly now and know whether it is truthful or not. You can tell when people aren't being straight with you, when they're hiding something, or just when they're being polite but saying something they don't mean. So all of this is us learning to tune in to new levels of energy. And all that does is give us more information We love our information as humans, but we tend to turn to the outside world to get it. But as we start to move more into fifth dimensional energies, we're starting to get all of our answers from within. We just read the energy of the situation and we'll know instantly whether it's a match for us. So this is something that we are seeing increasing in the current energies, is we're getting more sensitive. Now, one of the other things that can happen as we become more sensitive is that we're really going to start to notice when things are not in alignment with us. So when you get around someone who is on a much lower timeline than you are, when you are around people who are holding a lot of dense energies, dense emotions, you may notice it in the world around you as people who are very angry right now, in a lot of fear right now. What you may notice is these energies start to affect you more. I've had so many people tell me lately that when they go out in the mainstream world, it is like being punched in the gut. And what this is we are becoming much more tuned in to the frequencies around us. We're much more aware when we're walking into a situation where the energies are off. And we start to rethink that. We start to rethink spending time with people who are feeling very heavy to us. And again, this is never about judgment when I talk about vibrational differences. We're just finding that humans are on two very different planets right now. And we're starting to notice much more strongly when something isn't a match to us. We can't fool ourselves anymore and keep playing with it, which is something we've been able to do for the past 3 or 4 years. Even though we knew a particular source of information wasn't the best, or we were spending too much time online, we would still play with that energy. But now it's becoming almost intolerable to us. And the reason is the universe is separating us from anything that isn't a match to the energy of our soul, of the timeline that we have chosen. So what you're going to notice is you're going to feel lower vibrational energies much more strongly. They might be starting to get very physically uncomfortable. It just is something that your body won't tolerate anymore. And again, this is not about judgment. It is about noticing vibration and choosing which energies you associate with. So we're going to start to feel the energies of anything that is out of alignment with us. That is one of the gifts of the current planetary energies, is that anything that's not a match to you is going to light up like a neon sign. So you don't have to guess anymore if something is right for you or not. You are going to feel it with your entire body. And this is all just a function of us becoming more sensitive to energy. We're becoming fifth dimensional beings, which is about increasing our sensitivity. So this is something that is happening in the energies right now, and the Pleiadians wanted to help us understand this, especially if you're someone who is wondering why things were affecting you so much right now. If there were certain stores you couldn't go into anymore, certain people you just couldn't hang with anymore, this is what is happening. We are being separated by vibration, and that is the very definition of the ascension process. The timelines are separating. So just wanted to let you know what was going on with these energies in case you happen to be feeling this. It's not subtle anymore. So that is what we have to look forward in the current energies. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. And as always, click the link in the description if you want to work with me one-on-one. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.